Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today I'm going to be making a bacon layer or a Schichtfleish. Here I've got some large cut mushrooms which I'm going to cut into about 1/2 inch slices, that's 10 to 12 mil. Next I've got 2 large white onions which I'm also going to cut into 1/2 inch 10 to 12 mil rounds. This is my homemade bacon. I'll put a link above to show you how to make it. I'm going to cut this into the 1/2 inch slices. You see the nice pure colour of the bacon. Got a little element of fat in it which will help keep it moist while we're cooking. Now we've got our elements ready, it's time to layer up. I'm using a 10-inch Dutch oven. First of all I'm going to put the bacon in, and then the rounds of onion. And then the slices of mushroom. What we're going to simply do is keep repeating this until we've used all our ingredients. Keep on adjusting here and compacting it so we can get everything in. Next layer of bacon. Bits of leftovers, we'll just put them in the pot. For the moisture element of this pot, I'm going to use cream and mushroom soup. And believe it or not, this tin of soup is enough moisture you'll need to cook this. While we've been doing this, I've got a chimney full of charcoal ready, which is already in my joist stove. So putting this on the joist stove, I'm just going to simply put the lid on. We don't need any coals on the top of it. We can cook it for about 2.5 hours. So 2.5 hours later, this is our finished dish. As you can see, it's got plenty of moisture in. A little bit of fat content. I'm serving this with some home fries and just garden peas. Hope you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking. If you do, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.